in. We're gonna go on the other side of that. The ground here is 100% shells. From Christchurch to Snells Beach, we're taking on one epic New Zealand road trip. Flooded highways, mountain passes, and a ferry ride across the Cook Strait set the stage for an adventure that winds through dunes. Oh, hello, puppy dog. Shell-covered beaches, Hipaua steaming cliffs, and the volcanic landscapes of the North Island. Along the way, there's laughter, wrong turns, glowworms, and a few too many stairs. Welcome to the Scenic route. It's 6 a.m. and someone pulled the fire alarm. Are you impressed? Pretty impressed. Fred's not impressed. Road trip to Snells Beach. Tired schnurpsies. She did a tired chicken.
Dead.
We've just hit the road out of Christchurch. Our plan is a straight shot to Kaikoura for some of the best pies on the South Island. But today's drive looks a little different. Flooded ditches, rolling rivers, and water spilling over parts of the highway. Little do we know, the South Island's soon to be under a state of emergency. But for now, we're just chasing pies through a very wet New Zealand. Okay, well, we're all waking up. Everybody's waking up?
Not really.
Kaikoura Bakery. Pies?
Pies? Gonna pick a bear pie.
Everyone's getting pie. Oh, bear pie. We'll follow the lead. Bear, you pick the best pies?
I do.
It's been raining the whole time. Kaikoura Bakery. Quick, everybody run! I hope it doesn't rain the entire road trip, but according to the weather, it is supposed to. We drive through a tunnel and immediately rejoin the flood-soaked landscape. Another flooded stretch of highway, muddy waters edging the road, then the river. Oh wow, the river's just roaring. Next, we climb into the foothills. The road twists through mountain passes surrounded by dripping hillside and rushing runoff. Water streams under bridges. We're entering Marlborough, where a local state of emergency is now in place. They have declared the worst flooding in over 150 years. When it comes to Wairau Bridge, we cross it while the floodwaters were going crazy and had already burst the banks. Not long after we drove over, authorities closed the bridge for safety. We were lucky to be ahead of the shutdown by just minutes. The rains have cut off Highway 1, and it was a bit of a crazy ride.
Ready for the ferry? Going up.
Hello.
3 adults, 1 child.
Correct.
Got about an hour and a half waiting time. Okay, just going to go to lane 4.
Lane 4.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Cool.
Oh, look, there's little things to go by. That's so smart. Oh, there's we'll
Bathrooms.
check it. Bathrooms. Sure. Yep.
I bet you can get a coffee there.
Oh, boy. Oh, that's so cute. Coffee. Guys, is there a gate that opens both ways then?
I'm sure there is, but I don't know.
There we go. That will be it.
It's pretty cool. No, there's a lot of flooded roads though. That's pretty crazy. To see those rivers, they were just going. I have a feeling if we would have left any later, we may have been stuck. We'll grab stuff on the back end. Time to board the Interislander, a roll-on, roll-off ferry that links the South and North Islands.
very much.
Cheers.
Right on.
Cheers.
Yeah.
This crossing spans about 92 kilometers, takes about 3 hours. It's both a vital transport route and one of New Zealand's most scenic sea journeys. Drive on, park, walk up to the passenger decks. The Inter-Islanders fleet are built to handle the unpredictable conditions of the Cook Strait, where strong winds and tidal flows can make for rough seas. Once on deck, breathtaking, sweeping views of Wellington Harbour, giving way to the Marlborough Sounds.
We walk in up to the observation deck because we move in.
What's that?
And you can tell the boat moves.
Step wobbles.
Yeah, I'm wobbling.
For an hour, you're traveling through the bush-clad inlets of the Marlborough Sounds.
Beautiful. This thing goes much faster than I thought it was.
Yeah.
The views are amazing.
It's got French fries.
Yeah. No way.
A small pod of Hector Dolphins. They're the world's smallest oceanic dolphin and are found only in New Zealand waters. Their population is under 15,000, making every sighting significant.
Are you done getting rained on? Go get some chips. What chips?
This is like oh, look ahead. What? Do you see one?
I think it is.
Straight up there. Straight up there.
It's the little dips.
They're probably just mom, I didn't see it.
She's seeing things.
We're turning. Oh.
Yeah, you can tell we're turning.
Yeah. Yeah, we keep going like this. It's weird.
Probably keeping in the deep spots.
Isn't this a good view?
It is.
Yeah.
Very nice. French fries.
Bye.
She's so excited for us running. Well, we're the only ones crazy enough to be up here. Okay, friends, I'm frozen.
You're not frozen. This isn't Canada.
It's very true.
Yep, back to the ships.
Nice.
So Fritz enjoying her oceanfront view. What are you doing?
Knitting.
Oh boy.
I live back and forth.
Ooh. Bear, what you got going down?
I'm going to crochet.
Oh, very nice, very nice. We're going to turn now.
As the ferry rounds the last bend of the Marlborough Sounds, the calm, sheltered waters give way to the open Cook Strait. The narrow channel connects the Tasman Sea to the Pacific Ocean and is known for some of the strongest tidal flows and roughest seas in New Zealand. From here on, it's open water.
You good, baby?
Just a wee bit.
Just a wee bit? Oh, it sure is beautiful. Okay, we're walking downtown. Where is we, Fritz?
Wellington?
Yeah, that is where he is. There's country bumpkins in the big city.
What'd you call us?
That's you.
Country
Country bumpkin. What you call us? New word. Oh, I love puppy dogs. Puppy dog, good dog. What are you doing?
Calling you old.
That's not very nice.
Well, I called you old first.
You throw her under the bus?
Yeah.
We are headed to the botanical gardens, hoping to find glowworms. Glowworms! Hooray! We left Chelina in charge of the directions.
Why are we letting you into the future? Oh, stairs! Yeah. Dad, I told you this was a bad idea.
Let's see this.
What is going on?
Angelina, where are you?
The way Google says.
We're now walking in a little bit more ghetto areas from the Gabajolina directions.
It was
all directions.
Oh, it's my Google.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. That is pretty cool. Oh, see, we already went up.
We can pay at the bottom of the hill.
Some more Lord of the Rings stuff. Elf armor, Fritz.
Oh. Elf.
And the Rohan Royal Guard.
No. Way.
That's pretty cool. What you find, Bear? We are meow. Run, Fritz, run.
Oh, they keep going. No.
Oh my goodness. Found the glowworms, but can't see nothing. It is so pitch black, so I couldn't capture it on camera. May have got a few photos we'll show here. Don't know if you can see these. No, you can't.
There's the doctor, the slug. Wiggling. Oh. Very cute.
Oh, poor little guy.
He's mine now.
Yours now. Oh my goodness. Look at these stairs. Are you dying?
Holy damn, look at that.
Oh, there's the cable car.
Oh. The way down is only $6.80 each.
Run, Fritz, run.
Okay.
Yeah, she can see what she wants.
Are you ready for this?
Check it out. Oh, look, there's another one. We're like a block from hotel.
Oh man, if only we knew.
Yep. Let's get some food. Are you guys ready for some fancy food?
We did our stairs today. My God.
It's so fancy, it's got an escalator.
Your hair is down.
Macarons. Yeah, so 6 a.m. and someone pulled the fire alarm. Are you impressed? Pretty impressed. Fred's not impressed. Peka Peka Beach. Fritz really wanted to see the west coast, plus she loves Pickens. So here is the west coast. A wood beach? Wood Pickens?
Where are we at, Brad?
We're in Tongaririo, or Riro. I don't know how to say it properly, but it's crazy. This area looks like there's sand. Like, some of these look like sand dunes. We've heard people call this desert road.
The landscape really changed from an hour ago.
Yeah. Oh, we're about to enter the clouds. That's crazy.
Very different.
Hipaua steaming cliffs. So here in the Lake Taupō area, there's a lot of volcanic activity, and that up there, what looks like clouds, there is clouds too, but that is steaming cliffs. what you see right here as we're driving, right there. Let's go take a look at Lake Taupō over here. Wow. And there's the steaming cliffs, another look at them. As the road winds down into Snells Beach and the ocean finally greets us, it feels like the perfect pause to this leg of the journey. But this is only the beginning. In the next episodes, we'll wander through glowworm caves lit like a starry sky, stand in awe beneath cascading waterfalls, and walk beaches so covered in shells, Kristine won't believe her eyes. The adventure continues.